Hey, it's JJ from BrawBeard, and today we're going to be talking about dirty beards. Do you work in a dusty environment, or do you suffer from a constantly dry, dirty beard? With some construction workers getting the go-ahead to go back to work recently, we've had an influx of messages about beard care in dirty environments. We've had emails from gardeners, joiners, labourers, cement workers, etc. They all ask the same kind of thing. How do I avoid a dirty beard at work? And are there steps I should take to help? Listen, if you work in these environments, you're going to get a dirty beard. But there are steps you can take to get around it. If you're working with cement or wood, etc., you're going to get a dirty beard. There's no way to avoid it unless you wear a snood or a neck gaiter or something to cover your beard. As I said, there are steps you can take to ensure the best cleanliness as possible during your working day. Let me offer some advice and explain the reasons below. In the morning before work, for instance, wash your beard with water. Just give it a rinse with water only, then gently towel dry it. Don't use BrawBeard wash here. Save that for later when you get home. It'll be more beneficial then. You're going to work, you're going to get dirty. Once your beard is dry, apply some of your favourite BrawBeard oil to condition. I'm currently using Anniversary 18, it works for me. So use that to condition and moisturise your beard as normal. Then comb afterwards or brush, depending on what you usually use. If your beard is long, like this, consider tying it down with bobbles. That'll make the surface area smaller than usual. A smaller surface area will catch less dust and dirt, so that's an option. I'd recommend against using beard balm or beard butter before working in a dusty environment. The reason being is the wax element may cause the dust to stick to your beard, making it feel kind of horrible. BrawBeard butter is a great moisturiser, but again we'll save that for later on in the day when you get home. Okay, so when you're at work, steps you can take. Throughout your work day, your beard is going to hold some sort of dirt and dust. Just the same as your head hair does, or your eyebrows, or your arm hair does. It happens. I've been there several times myself. What I do recommend doing is taking a small bottle of beard oil with you. These are 50ml bottles, they fit in your pocket. Take a beard brush as well. Leave them in your locker, or wherever you leave your bag, or wherever you leave your belongings at work. At lunchtime, just gently brush your beard, get some residual dirt out. Next, apply a little beard oil, and then brush that through again. This will evenly distribute the oil through your beard. This will moisturise your hair and your skin below, keeping it clean and avoiding irritation later on in the day. This will get some residual dirt out, as I say, and just keep it moisturised. You might get funny looks from your work colleagues, but don't we all? After you're home, that's the best time to clean your dirty beard, clean your home. Once you get home from working in your dusty environment, the first thing you want to do is wash that dirt out. So, this is when you use a BrawBeard wash. This is the time of day to crack this open, jump in the shower or jump in the bath. Wash your beard thoroughly with BrawBeard wash. It's added aloe vera in it, made with organic ingredients, which means it helps reduce dandruff while cleaning your beard effectively. Just what your beard needs after a tough day. Once your beard is gently towel dried, apply some of your favourite BrawBeard oil. BrawBeard oil is non-greasy and only has natural ingredients. They're chosen for their beneficial properties, which means it nourishes your facial hair from the root to the tip. Either use a comb or a brush and gently detangle the hair after washing. Personally, because I've got a long beard, I use the comb first, then I use the brush afterwards. Now it's the time of the day to apply the BrawBeard butter. Again, it's made of natural ingredients. They're chosen for their beneficial properties. This product is a deep conditioning product, while gently holding stray hairs in place to maintain a neat looking beard. This is a perfect way to treat your beard and restore its faith in you. So, lastly, brush that through. This will evenly distribute the product, separate the hairs, offering maximum volume. Now you've done that, you've looked after your beard, now is the time of the day to go and enjoy the rest of your time. Enjoy the rest of your day, spend it with your family, whatever you're doing, and you'll have a clean beard. It'll make you feel fresh, it'll make you feel good for the rest of the day. So yeah, that's my kind of tips for working in a dusty environment. As I say, we've had a few messages recently. That would be my tips. Don't use too much product in the morning, save it for later, you'll feel the benefit later. So yeah, thanks for watching, I hope that helps. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to leave a comment, fire one below, I'll answer it when I can. And if any of your bearded friends would benefit from this video, do you think? Do they work in that type of environment? If they do, please do share it online, I appreciate your support. As always, thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.